Okay, folks, doing our last few videos, okay, as we prepare for paper one, looking at fractional indices for higher tier only. So in this question, we're asked to work out 9 to the power of a half. Well, power of a half in maths just means the square root. So it's the square root of 9, okay, the positive root of 9, which is just 3, because 3 times 3 makes 9. 25 to the power of a half, again, that'll be the square root of 25, which of course is 5, okay? If I have, let's say, 8 to the power of 1 over 3, or 1/3, that'll be the cube root, okay, or the cubic root, or the cube root of 8, which of course is 2. If I have, let's say, 16 to the power of a quarter, that'll be the 4th root, okay, of 16. So now you get the idea. Okay, let's do one more. 32 to the power of a 5th, okay, a bit more trickier, is the 5th root of 32, which is actually equal to 2. Okay, so in general, if I have a to the power of 1 over b, is the bth root of a. Okay, that's if the numerator is equal to 1. Okay, what happens if the numerator is not equal to 1? So here I have 9 to the power of 3 halves, so 3 over 2. Here I'm going to root by the bottom and then power by the top. Okay, so root by the bottom and then power by the top. So here is going to be the second root, the square root of 9. And then I'm going to cube it. The square root of 9, guys, is equal to 3. And then I'm going to cube it, so attach the 3. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27, okay? Let's say I'd make it a bit more trickier. Let's say I have 8 to the power, okay, of minus 2/3. Okay, so slightly more trickier. That negative power makes it 1 over, so it makes its base number or term its reciprocal, or in case of a fraction, we flip it. So here that'll be 1 over 8 to the power of 2 over 3, or 2/3. Again, that'll be 1 over. I root by the bottom and then power by the top. So it's 1 over the cube root of 8 all squared. Okay, so we root by the bottom and then power by the top. Okay, so the cube root of 8 is going to be 2. So you have 1 over 2 squared, which is 1 over 4, or 1/4. So in general, okay, when the numerator is not equal to 1, if I have x to the power of a over b, that's going to be the bth root of x all raised to the power of a. Okay, don't forget, they can put in fractions to fractional powers, or fractions to negative fractional powers. That also works. So let me just think of one here. Okay, I'm trying to think of one off the top of my head. Let's say I've got 9/25 to the power of negative a half, okay? So that negative makes it 1 over, or in case of a fraction, we flip it. So we get 25 over 9 to the power